Go ahead and state your full name and the name of your business.
Sheila Henderson, and I'm part owner of Couture Cabinetry LLC.
Great. And what were like the top 3 to 5 points that you got from this seminar?
I really like the press release information, and I was really excited about getting video testimonials because I think that'll be really helpful for our business. And then just like the basic general marketing information in general, like it was a really helpful class for us.
Great. And do you already use AI in your business or ChatGPT?
Not really. It's literally just getting off the ground this week.
She just came out of surgery.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Awesome. And then in the future, what other workshops would you be interested in?
More of the, like I've went to a couple of the social media ones, so more like Instagram and TikTok again. Yeah.
Have you been to any other ones? You look familiar, but have you been?
Yeah, I went to like two or three other ones, yeah.
Awesome. Okay,
Yeah.
great. Thank you so much.